Best honeymoon resorts in Jamaica. Spending your honeymoon in Jamaica as a way of capturing your mind, body, and soul. And a trip with your lover here is beautifully sophisticated, yet simple. There is much more to do here than you could ever fit into one trip, and every day is an adventure of exploring your love together. But of course, you can choose to do nothing at all, cause in Jamaica, that's perfectly fine too. With 80 degrees weather, on average, and easy flights to the island, it's easy to explore Montego Bay, Negril, Kingston, the South Coast, and beyond. If you can swing it, plan your trip to Jamaica between October and December to avoid hurricane season and experience fewer crowds and beautiful deals. So to help narrow down your honeymoon options as you begin planning, here are some of the top honeymoon resorts in Jamaica to consider for your big trip. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, and if you want to learn more about Jamaica and Jamaicans, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my videos. Number 12. Couples Sanssouci, Ocho Rios. Although lots of resorts in Jamaica allow kids and are family friendly, others take a more couples-centric approach. Couples Sanssouci is one of those, and it is a long-time favorite among couples visiting Ocho Rios. Swimsuits are optional when you want to sunbathe, and there's a mineral pool to soothe your muscles and relax. When you stay here for your honeymoon, you can enjoy a couple's massage, a free bottle of wine, and lots of excursions. Dunn's River Falls is a beautiful place to check out nearby, and the glass bottom boat cruises are really romantic as well. Number 11. Jake's Hotel, Villas and Spa, South Coast. A unique place to stay on your honeymoon on the South Coast is Jake's Hotel. This hotel is located in the Treasure Beach area, and it's a great pick for honeymooners on a budget. Expect to find a laid-back vibe that's friendly and not pretentious. 1, 2, and 3 bedroom accommodations offer earthly luxury and unique eclecticism. If you want to ensure plenty of chill-out time, this is an ideal pick for you and your spouse. Number 10. Tenzing Pen Negril. At Tenzing Pen, you can find 15 thatched roof cottages in a secluded area along the West End cliffs. While you might not expect it from a place that looks as tropical and authentic as this, the rates are actually quite reasonable for Negril. The rooms don't have TVs, but who needs TV when you can walk over to Rick's Cafe for live entertainment? For honeymooning couples, Tenzing Pen offers couples massages and honeymoon suites with lovely balcony views that overlook the ocean. Number 9. Strawberry Hill, St. Andrew. Most couples skip over Kingston when they're planning their honeymoon, but Strawberry Hill is a great resort located here that's worth considering. It's housed in a former coffee plantation in the hills of the Blue Mountains. A stay here feels like taking a trip back in time, and the quaint cottages are nestled into the secret contours of the mountains. There are a relatively small number of cottages here, so you can expect plenty of privacy and intimacy. However, that's not to say that there is nothing to do when you stay here either. Check out the restaurant, bar, pool on the hilltop, and the gardens. You can enjoy modern Caribbean flavors in Strawberry Hill's veranda restaurant and learn about the reggae music and culture while in town. It's not on the beachfront though, so just be aware of that when you book your stay. Number 8. Half Moon, Montego Bay. In contrast, Half Moon is a big resort that's luxurious and known for its amenities. There is an equestrian center with riding activities including dressage, jumping, and swimming with horses. They also have a fine dining restaurant that was awarded as Jamaica's best by the island's Table Talk Food Awards, and it's the only restaurant in Jamaica to serve you Wagyu beef. Overall, there are close to 200 rooms here, and the whole resort is spread across about 400 acres. The 68,000 square foot Fern Tree Spa is the largest of its kind in the Caribbean and offers everything from aromatherapy, steam rooms, to outdoor yoga in the pavilion, fitness classes, and a relaxation lounge. Number 7. GJAM Port Antonio. If you are looking to get away from it all and the big resort chains aren't your thing, then consider a honeymoon stay at the GJAM in Port Antonio. There are 7 double rooms consisting of 3 deluxe cabins, 1 suite, and a self-contained 3-bedroom villa. You'll be in a secluded mountaintop setting, so you can feel comfortable and relaxed in privacy. This resort offers an authentic experience and all the comforts of home. Plan your stay for GJAM if you want to spend lots of time relaxing in your room with your special someone. You can take advantage of 24-hour room service and get in-room massages too. This is pretty much the opposite from the big beach resort. However, Frenchman's Cove is just 10 minutes away, and the historic town of Port Antonio is just 10 minutes away also. Number 6. Jewel Duns River Beach Resort and Spa, Ocho Rios. Another adult-only spot is Jewel Duns River Resort and Spa, which is right by Duns River Falls. Something unique you and your sweetheart can do here is have a dive-in movie date, where you can watch a film in or by the pool. There are 2 swimming pools and hot tubs, 9-hole pitch and putt golf course, a full-service spa, and tennis courts. It's easy to book a catamaran cruise, glass bottom boat tour, or snorkeling or scuba diving excursion when you stay here. Number 5. Riu Palace Tropical Bay Negril. Riu Palace Tropical Bay is a part of the Spanish chain of hotels and offers all-inclusive accommodations that take the guesswork out of honeymoon planning. There are over 200 rooms at this large resort. There are several different restaurants and pools here, and a great spa. Take your pick of Japanese, Italian, or Jamaican barbecue cuisine at the on-site restaurants. Stay here if you want your Jamaican honeymoon to be mostly spent on the beach. Riu Palace is right on the beach, so it's easy to be lazy and just take in the stunning scenery around you. Number 4. Secrets St. James, Montego Bay. Secrets St. James is an adults-only hotel that is located on the Montego Bay Freeport Peninsula. This adult-only hotel has 350 suites. It's also by the Secrets Wild Orchid Resort, and these 2 resorts share same facilities and amenities. Expect to find decor inspired by British colonial times. To go all out on your honeymoon, book the presidential suite well in advance and take advantage of the massive in-room hot tub and amazing ocean views. Newlywed packages include fun perks like breakfast in bed with a champagne and spa discounts. It's easy to get active when you stay here too, because guest facilities include basketball, volleyball, tennis courts, pool tables, beach ball, kayaks, and even dance classes. Number 3. The Grand Palladium Lady Hamilton Resort and Spa, Montego Bay. This is an ideal resort for couples that love to eat good food and drink good cocktails. There are 13 bars and 10 restaurants to choose from, as well as 5 pools. This hotel is right along the beach and between Negril and Montego Bay, so you have the opportunity to explore both areas during your stay. For a special honeymoon treat, you can upgrade your stay to include private dining options and excursions. Number 2. The Caves, Negril. You will know you have reached the Caves Resort in Negril as soon as you see the jaw-dropping cliffside setting. The photos really don't do it any justice. There are 11 private cottages here, So this is more intimate experience than some of the huge resorts on this list. You can expect the staff to be incredibly attentive and to have lots of privacy. Take advantage of private jacuzzi at sunset and enjoy a romantic dinner in a cave. Come here for a low-key, hassle-free honeymoon that's ultra romantic. Number 1. Sandal's Beach Resort. This is a sprawling resort that offers plenty of beach time as well as peaceful hillside views. Stay here for private pool villas, the plantation-style great house, and to play golf on the resort's course. This popular resort has 16 trendy restaurants, 11 bars, and a hot beach club. If you splurge on the honeymoon romance package, you'll get extra perks like airport transfers, a rose petal bath, and oceanside dinner. Thank you for joining me. If you had liked this video or found it interesting, be sure to subscribe to Elite Jamaica and click the notification icon so you never miss an update. And remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you loved it. I'm Alex. Bless.